Hey guys, this is Mabsen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Sabbat E12 Ultra Bluetooth earbuds and what's inside the box. This is like a very late unboxing as I have purchased this last year, October 2019, but I'm not active in YouTube at the time. I just started being active in my channel last month. Anyway, this is also a little review after over a year of owning and using it. So let's see what's inside the box. So some guide on how to use this one. It's in Chinese because this is a Chinese product. This is a new brand. I am not even familiar with this brand, but it has a lot of good reviews on YouTube, so that's why I chose this one over some known brands. The 3 different sizes buds, and here is the earbuds. You may notice that it has black color because this is from my Samsung AKG earphones, because I lost the pair of this one, the partners of this one. And this is the case. This is also serves as the charging case. This uses Type-C cable and it features Qi wireless. So even if this is last year's device, I mean a 2019 model, it already features Qi wireless charging. So it's like future proof. And what else? So here is the cable, the Type-C cable. As I have observed, from battery empty or low bat, I charge this for about 3 hours. And that's it. That's what's inside the box. I barely use this because I use my phone's charger, because they are the same using Type-C. So that's really the advantage, because this has Type-C and wireless charging capability. Let's see closely. After over a year of using it, it still looks new. No visible scratches, as well as the earbuds, but there's some chips in the design at the center. But that's it. It's so nice looking. By the way, the color of this one is Bingo Silver. There's a lot of color options if you want. Yes, and these are the features of this earphone. It has Bluetooth 5.0, aptX audio decoding, CVC 8.0 speech noise reduction, and a single battery life of over 6 hours. For a single charge, you can use this for over 6 hours. So that's it, guys. This is really a good buy. It's worth to buy this because it's cheap and the sound quality is on par with expensive brands like the buds, the Galaxy Buds, the Earpods, or whatever expensive ear brands out there. And even if you search reviews on YouTube, you can see a lot of positive reviews. And to think it's only around $52. So this is really a good buy. Anyway guys, before I forgot, this earbuds has a good grip in your ear. Even if you're walking or jogging, it won't fall off. And if you want to lower the volume, you just have to press this one. This is a button, as you can hear a clicking sound. If you want to go to the previous song, you just have to press this twice. And then if you want to lower the volume, you have to press this 3 times very fast, like this one, because if you will press it slow, it will just pause the song or go to the previous song. So if you want to lower the volume, you will press 3 times. You'll press fast 3 times, like that. So, and if you want to turn off, you will just long press this one. It turned off. This is the left side of the earphone, and this one is the right side. This also, if you want to pause, to forward a song, and to higher the volume. It's the same thing as this one. If you want to higher the volume, just press fast 3 times. If you want to go to next song, press twice fast. If you want to pause, press once. Then if you want to turn off, long press. That's it. So it's so easy to control, even while you're on the move. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my very amateur video review. See you in my next video. Thank you. I hope you will not forget to like and subscribe. I will be very happy. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.